On any such lake. St. James to Red Molly, my hat's off to you. It's a Vincent Black Lightning, 1952. And I've seen you at the cafes and corners it seems. Red hair and black leather, that's my favorite color scheme. And you pulled her on behind and down to Mox Hill they did ride. St. James to Red Molly, well, here's a ring for your right hand. But I tell you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. Oh, I've fought with the law since I was 17. And I'll rob many a man to get my Vincent machine. And I'm now 21 years, I might make 22. And I don't mind dying, but for the love of you. And if fate should break my stride, then I give you my Vincent to ride. Come down, Red Molly, called Sergeant McRae. Oh, they've taken young James 80 for armed robbery. Shotgun blast hit his chest, and there's nothing inside. Come down, Red Molly, to his dying bedside. When she came to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of road. He was running out of breath. Oh, but he smiled to see her cry. He said, I give you my Vincent to ride. St. James, in my opinion, there is nothing in this world beats a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. No, your Northens and your Indians and Greases won't do. Ah, they don't have a soul of a Vincent 52. And he reached for her hand and he slipped her the keys. He said, I've no further use for these. I see angels on aerials in leather and chrome. Oh, swooping down from heaven when they carried me home. And he gave her one last kiss and died. And he gave her his Vincent to ride.
Thank you, guys.